In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix site with AI. This cutting-edge tool offered by Wix allows even those with no prior web design experience to create a professional-looking website with ease. Let's dive right into the process and see just how simple it is to get started. To begin your journey into the world of AI-powered web design, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Wix AI Website Builder page. This platform is specifically designed to leverage artificial intelligence to assist you in crafting a website that meets your unique needs. Once you're on the Wix AI Website Builder page, you'll see an eye-catching button labeled Create with AI. Go ahead and click that. This launches the AI tool, guiding you into the process of building your site step by step. If you're new to Wix and don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. Rest assured, setting up an account is straightforward. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to enter necessary details, like your email and a secure password. If you already have a Wix account, just log in using your established credentials. With access granted, the next phase involves allowing the AI to learn more about your preferences and needs. This might include sharing what type of website you're interested in creating, whether it's for a business, a portfolio, a blog, or another purpose. The AI will likely ask a few questions to get a better understanding of your desired layout and style. As you provide information, the AI uses its algorithm to tailor suggestions that align with your input. This is where the magic happens. The AI pulls from a vast library of design elements and structural layouts to propose a site that is both functional and visually appealing. It's almost like having a web designer at your fingertips. Throughout the process, you'll have the opportunity to preview various options, tweak the design, and make adjustments as needed until you're satisfied. Remember, this is your creative space, so feel free to experiment with various features. A useful tip here is to take advantage of the customization options presented to you by the AI. This often includes changing color schemes, fonts, images, and even the arrangement of different sections on your site. Such flexibility ensures that your website isn't just generic, but truly represents your brand or personal vision. Once you feel everything is just right, and after double-checking the content and layout, it's time to publish your site. With just a few clicks, your site will go live, ready for the world to see. You've just harnessed the power of artificial intelligence to create a Wix site that's both professional and personalized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have a vibrant online presence crafted with the help of Wix's innovative AI technology. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy your new website.